how to use Claude Design to create your social media content. So if you don't know it yet, Claude Design launched recently and you can access it at this URL. Just note you do need a Claude subscription to access this website. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so we want to create a content generator. Then I'm going to describe something here just for it to create some posts for me. So I have a food truck business called Street Sizzle. We do all sorts of no, I can't type today. We do all sorts of street food. Branding is dark with yellow. Main theme, black and yellow. I want you to create a few Instagram posts that I can download. Okay, let's just give that info. You can give more info here. You can think more about what you really wanted to do. And what's pretty cool is if you're a bit vague, it will ask you a few questions to get a bit more of an understanding. So this is pretty cool. It's asking how many posts. So that's, obviously you want to go as many as you can. So let's do 8. What type of post do you want? Daily special. I want a brand vibe post, behind the scene customers, shout out testimonials. Yeah, let's do one of those. Opening hour schedule, or let's do a location announcement. Okay. List your menus. Let's say, loaded fries, burgers, pizza, wings. Okay. For logo, I'm just gonna use what it gives it here. Hot, fresh, straight from the streets. No, if you don't have the answers, Claude Design has it for you anyway. Let's do an electric yellow, and we do a pure black. Overall vibe is playful and fun. Okay, I'm not gonna upload any photos and whatever. So let's continue and let's leave all the work for Claude. Okay, and Claude is done. Let's have a look. Okay, daily specials and promos. Loaded fries, $8 only. Very nice. Wow. Yes, I like the vibrant colors. Really look good here. And it definitely catch my attention. At Street Sizzle. Here's the customer review. The best loaded fries I've ever had. Crispy, smothered, and absolutely worth every penny. I come back every week. Wow. And it's inside, like, it just comes up with this, like with the words here. Find us this weekend, we're here. Okay, whatever. Yeah, obviously if you give like the correct locations and all that, it will fill in the details for you. But yeah, the key thing for me here is, you see how we have 8 posts and all of it we can download as images. Like, it's downloadable as a PNG. So you can literally download it. It creates all this content for you. You download it and then you can start scheduling the posts. So this is a big time saver. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to drop a like, drop a comment on what you'd like to see me do next, and don't forget to subscribe.